Let me save you from an anxiety attack real quick. If you're 25, 30, or 40 with barely anything saved, you are not a failure. Relax. Your savings account is not a reflection of your worth. Today, I'm giving you the real numbers for how much you should have saved by each age and what to do if you're nowhere close. No shame, no judgment, just truth and a plan. Because look, we've all seen those finance charts that say, by age 30, you should have $50,000 saved. Meanwhile, you're over here like, I have $6 and a coupon. And every time your aunt asks, how's your savings? You just smile like, it's growing spiritually. I used to panic about this too. I thought if I didn't hit these magic numbers by a certain age, my entire future would collapse like a Jenga tower. Then I realized something powerful. Those charts don't consider your income, your bills, your life, your chaos. So today, you're getting real-world numbers for real people, not people who live in Beverly Hills drinking $9 water. Let's start with age 25, starter level. Just don't give up. A healthy range at 25 is $500 to $5,000. That's it. You're building the habit, not trying to retire early. If you have $200 saved, you're already ahead of millions who have zero. Your job at 25 isn't to be rich. It's to stop financial self-destruction and learn consistency. Now, age 30, foundation level. This is where life hits you with bills, jobs, breakups, rent increases, and existential dread. A healthy range here is 1 to 3 months of expenses. For most people, that's $3,000 to $9,000, not $50,000, not a house down payment. If you can cover 1 month of expenses from savings, you are doing better than you think. Age 40, growth level. This is where future you actually starts needing backup. A healthy range is 3 to 6 months of expenses. For most people, that's $9,000 to $25,000. If you're 40 with $2,000 saved, that's okay. Your story is not over. Most people's best saving years happen between 40 and 55 because income is more stable and the chaos slows down. Now, if you're nowhere close to these numbers, breathe. You're not doomed. Let me give you the Brokeology Rescue Plan. Step 1. Stop comparing yourself. Comparison is the thief of joy and the landlord of anxiety. Everyone's journey is different, so stop comparing your real life to someone's Instagram highlight reel. Step 2. Follow the 10% rule. Save 10% of every paycheck automatically. Don't touch it. Don't negotiate. Don't blink. Automation beats motivation every single time. Set it once and let future you write a thank you letter. Step 3. Build a 3-month savings ladder. Month 1. Save $50 per week. Month 2. Save $75 per week. Month 3. Save $100 per week. That's momentum. That's progress you can feel. That's how you go from I'll never save money to damn, look at me winning. Step 4. Protect your savings. From you. Open a high-yield savings account that takes 1 to 2 days to transfer money out. If it's harder to access, you'll think twice before raiding it like a raccoon at 2 a.m. Listen, you're not behind. You're just starting your journey. Now you know the real numbers, the real plan, and the real way forward. So if you're ready to stop stressing about savings and start building financial confidence, hit subscribe and join the Brokeology family. Future you is already cheering.